Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Kate. What's your name?
My name is Evan.
How's the weather today?
It's cold.
Very good. How old is he?
He is 8 years old.
He's 8 years old. Good job. What can you see?
I can see a banana.
I can see a banana. Nice. How many flowers are there?
There are 17 flowers.
There are 17 flowers. Good job. Okay, now let's start the review. Monday.
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 Nice. Tuesday.
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 Good job. Wednesday.
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 Very good. Thursday.
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 Nice. Friday.
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 Very good. Saturday.
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 Good job. Sunday.
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 Nice. Read.
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 Good job. Write.
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 Nice. Spell.
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 Very good. Come to the board.
Come to the board.
Come to the board.
Come to the board.
Good job. Open your book.
Open your book.
Open your book.
Open your book.
Good job. Close your book.
Close your book.
Close your book.
Close your book.
Nice. Okay, now I will ask some questions and you will answer. What day is it today?
It's Monday.
It's Monday. Very good. What day is it today?
It's Wednesday.
It's Wednesday. Good job. What day is it today?
It's Saturday.
It's Saturday. Nice. What day is it today?
It's Friday.
It's Friday. Good job. What day is it today?
It's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday. Very good. What day is it today?
It's Thursday.
It's Thursday. Nice. What day is it today?
It's Sunday.
It's Sunday. Good job. What can she do?
She can spell.
She can spell. Good job. What can he do?
He can open the book.
He can open the book. Good job. What can he do?
He can read.
He can read. Nice. What can she do?
She can come to the board.
She can come to the board. Nice. What can he do?
He can write.
He can write. Nice. What can she do?
She can close the book.
She can close the book. Good job. Okay, now I will give the answer and you will make the question. It's Saturday.
What day is it today?
What day is it today? Nice. It's Monday.
What day is it today?
What day is it today? Good job. It's Wednesday.
What day is it today?
What day is it today? Nice. It's Tuesday.
What day is it today?
What day is it today? Nice. It's Sunday.
What day is it today?
What day is it today? Very good. It's Friday.
What day is it today?
What day is it today? Good job. It's Thursday.
What day is it today?
What day is it today? Nice. She can come to the board.
What can
she do? Good job. He can open the book.
What can he do?
What can he do? Nice. She can spell.
What can she do?
What can she do? Good job. He can read.
What can he do?
What can he do? Nice. He can write.
What can he do?
What can he do? Very good. She can close the book.
What can she do?
What can she do? Good job. Okay, now we will end here. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye, Teacher Kate.
Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Kate. What's your name?